Welcome to my Sunday front. Well, I wanted to make a giant brownie, and I could have just bought this and added 2 tablespoons of water, but no. On my Sunday front, we go big. So I bought all the ingredients that you would make if you were gonna just make a box one and just do that. But I actually wanted to make a really delicious recipe, and that's what I thought of right away, is how to make one in the microwave. And this has chunks of chocolate in it, and I thought this with the walnuts, and you can't go wrong with the pudding. It's gonna be delicious. Stay tuned.
You'll need brownie mix, snack packs, frosting, walnuts, oil, and water.
So the first thing you need is, of course, the mix. And this mix takes only 1 egg and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, along with 1/4 cup of water. So let's open it up. Can you see all those chunks of chocolate? This is gonna be good. I can tell already this is gonna be real good. Now, this calls for 2 tablespoons of water each packet. And there are, see, I think there are 4 packets. So it's 4 individual packets. And instead of chocolate, these have walnut chunks. So I will open these and pour the contents out. This is a lot. So now I need 1/4 cup of water, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg, plus 2 tablespoons of water per. So that would be, let's see. So here's some water, and goes the oil. So let's give this a big mix. Yeah. Here we go. And that looks like it's doing its thing. And so it's kind of liquidy. So let's add some pudding. Just add it in there. Now what I have here is applesauce. And this is a substitute for egg, but you can also use it, I think, for oil. So here we go. This is 100% fruit, it says. So it shouldn't affect the recipe at all. Give this a mix. This is looking really good. And so here I go. I'm gonna go ahead and put this batter on something I can bake it in. And probably take about 5 minutes. So put the timer for 5 minutes and we'll check on our giant brownie. And that looks good because it has to rise. So kind of gonna get the corners. Kind of nervous. Okay, let's see. 5 minutes, guys, and we'll be back. So it's been 5 minutes in the microwave. It cooked perfectly. And next we're gonna get this icing done. So what I want to do is see if I can mix this in with the snack pack and get something real creamy and real delicious to eat. So here I go. So I got the pudding in. Next is this yummy, delicious, creamy chocolate buttercream icing. Let's see what it looks like now when I mix it. That looks good. Scoop of this on the top and kind of get this covered in the icing. That's good. It's kind of too warm to mess with right now, but I kind of wanted to see if it would work. Let's see. I just need to get a little bit on this side. Kind of like peels right off because it's too warm. To the corners. I guess where it came off. Put some there because it just kind of wiped off. And then these chopped walnuts. Just put them on the top. get the corners, middle, and you can spread them if you want. And as far as this goes, you can just drizzle this on the top like this. Get the corners. Try to get the corners. And a little bit more walnuts, just so everybody knows. And voila, it's done. Giant brownie. So let's dig in. I'll just cut anywhere, I guess. And here it is. Nice and warm. Mmm. Mmm. That extra frosting is so good. Mmm. This is so good. It cooks up perfectly. Well, thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.